In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can update your WordPress website. So basically here, I can click here to update now. But sometimes this is not possible because I need to update also my PHP code for my WordPress website. So it's gonna show here if you have to update to a more recent version of PHP. And also, for example, if you go to the plugins, you cannot update any plugin if you don't have the latest PHP version. Well, not latest, but one more updated. So basically, what you need to do to update your PHP for WordPress before even be able to update WordPress itself is to go into your hosting service website in the control panel. Now I will show you mine, but of course you will have yours. Now the really first thing I suggest you is to call or contact your hosting manager, your hosting service. So the one that gives you the space to install WordPress on the web. And in my case, it's called Aruba. It's an Italian service, and well, this is the control panel here. So this is where I can set everything basically. So I can set my passwords and I can set services. I can activate, deactivate emails and database. And well, I also have an FTP service. So I have a lot of services, but this one here is for the PHP. So to get here, I went to the general settings and I just selected the PHP version. And this is where I can go up or down. Well, I cannot go back. I was, for example, in 5.5 and I had to update to 7.2, but I can also try to update to 7.4. But in this case, I don't need it. So I just selected the first one on the list that was available and updated. And then I just clicked saved. It just took a couple of seconds to update my PHP, so it's a pretty fast operation. Now, one more thing I suggest you is to create a backup of your website. Each time you do an update, either on the PHP or on the WordPress, to be really secure, I think it's really helpful to create a backup. Now you have some plugins that do that for you. For example, here let's get into the plugins, and if you go here, you can search for backup plugins. And also another thing I really like to do to be really secure and to be pretty sure that I have downloaded everything is to use the FTP. So if I use an FTP like FileZilla, I can download all my folder from my host to my from my remote folder to my local folder. Now, if you want to know more about this topic, you can go into our channel and search for backup WordPress, or search for FTP or file transfer protocol, and you will be able to see more video guides about these topics here, or just write your comments below the video and we will try to help you. So please also subscribe to the channel and leave comments. And also, if you can support us, you can do it in the community page with a small donation on this PayPal link or with other projects and through the store. Okay, now once you have updated your PHP, you can go back here and you will be able also to update your WordPress website. So again, let's review all the passages. First thing, create a backup. Second thing, update your PHP from your hosting service. Third thing, update your WordPress. And the job is done. Pretty easy, pretty fast. And that's it for this video. So, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.